This is the Bali green slimer acropora. It grows in bold, fast-climbing branches that glow bright neon green from base to tip. People love it because it's one of the quickest growing acropora, sending out new shoots and thickening up faster than most SPS in the tank. The polyps stay extended all day, giving the branches a fuzzy electric look that pops under any blue heavy lighting. It's hardy as far as acropora go, making it a favorite starter stick for reef keepers moving into SPS. The Bali green slimer thrives in strong, steady flow and clean, stable water so the branches can put out that signature fast growth. Available at reef2go.com.